The Swedish Medical Products Agency is working for you and me. You rarely meet us, but you encounter the results of our work every day, from the moment you take your first step. Sometimes in places you didn't expect, and sometimes in situations you're trying to avoid. We're dedicated to keeping people and animals in Sweden in good health. We work for everyone who lives here, both in emergencies and in minor situations. Our work has an impact on pharmacies, hospitals, and in your own bathroom cabinet. We approve medicines and monitor and evaluate their use. We advise healthcare professionals and patients alike. The work we do is based on legislation and regulations, and every year we examine thousands of products to make sure the medicines and medical products that you use are safe and effective. We work closely and share knowledge with other EU countries, and we're never influenced by any other interests than your own. We're proud of what we do. Working for you, we are the Swedish Medical Products Agency.